Them tell we no flies, we know say that not right. But black excellence, there the truth shines so bright. History written, truth buried in the sand. But the truth rise up in the land, from Africa to the west. How people carry the flame, Babylon try suppress, but we are gonna chant down them name. Them can't erase we story, no way, no how. Cause we stand tall in our dignity, we vow. Blackness, pure greatness, our story built to last. Kings and queens of power, wisdom from the past. Babylon want twisting, but them lies not gonna last. We stand strong, cause we know our roots so vast. Education not for we, but them want for drain it. Them try feel like we not ignorance, but they not gonna tolerate it. Brainwash them I try, but we break through the chains. Knowledge is the power and we feel it in our veins. Look on the black skin, shine like the sun. We resilient, united, together we're one. The way them paint we image is a story of shame, but we rise and we chant, we are gonna change the game. Blackness, pure greatness, our story built to last. Kings and queens of power, wisdom from the past. Babylon want twisting, but them lies not go last. We stand strong, cause we know our roots so vast. Black is beautiful, hear me now, it's a fact. From the west to the lands of Africa, no more hiding we face, let the truth resonate. In our unity we stand, we are elevate. Them try to silence with voice, but we sing even louder. Black excellence, a love, a strength that make we prouder. From slavery to freedom, we don't break them barriers. Our culture so rich, full of love and carriers. So gather round people, let's lift up the vibe. Celebrate the essence of our people, so nice. Through struggles and fights, we acclaim more space in our this world of confusion, we are find no grace. Blackness, pure greatness, our story built to last. Kings and queens of power, wisdom from the past. Babylon want twisting, but them lies not gonna last. We stand strong, cause we know our roots so vast. So remember my people, now the heart of the fight. Blackness is power, it's a beacon of light. Them can't dim or shine, we go rise and elevate in this dance alive. Let we celebrate blackness. Oh blackness, forever we stand with love in our hearts, unifying the land. Yeah blackness, oh blackness, we arise from the dust. In love and unity we are building trust. Pure greatness, our story built to last. Kings and queens of power, wisdom from the past. Babylon want twisting, but them lies not go last. We stand strong, cause we know our roots so vast.